Shaw Transport was established back in 1965. It's a removal and household furniture business. The services that we offer for corporate supply chain, they range from storage, local moving, long distance moving, and international relocations. As a professional service provider, we fit very well in the corporate supply chain because of our years of experience in the business. Our professionalism over the years has put us in the map, and we add value in the corporate supply chain. We've joined ABSA program approximately 3 years ago. The many things that we have already achieved from this program. ABSA afforded us the loan to acquire more shares into the business. Currently, we are sitting at 70% shareholding, myself and my brother, and with a promise that they will then advance more money to purchase the remainder of the shares, which is 30%. They have engaged us in many programs, like we had business coaching, we had OP Act compliance. The most challenging thing as a business owner is to have to pay people month on month for salaries. So if your cash flow is not up to date, you are always going to find yourself in the back foot. But ABSA has came in and helped us and gave us some money so that we are able to resolve the cash flow problem. The hardest thing about supply chain readiness is funding. As a small business, you need to be funding ready, and this is what the program has taught us, how to be funding ready. One is to have documented financial processes and business processes in place for funders to be able to access them. Processes like your financial statements, your cash flow statements, and your cash forecast. In most cases, small businesses often think that when you have a company registration document and a BE certificate, you are fit to enter into the supply chain programs, which is often not the case. As a supplier, what I've learned is, one, you need to be patient. Secondly, you need to act swiftly when responding to an inquiry. Thirdly, when you do get the offer to do the service, you need to do it wholeheartedly and be as professional as possible. What I would like to see corporate business do more for small businesses is to give more opportunities and to improve on their supply chain requirements, because some of their requirements they've got a lot of red tape which doesn't benefit small businesses. A game changer for us for being in a supply development program is doing the digital transformation that ABSA has helped us with. It has opened our eyes. It has shown us risk elements to a business that we haven't seen before. Like if you lose information and you don't have it stored digitally, you won't have any recourse to reclaim it. Our digital journey, it's going to be exciting. Once it's fully developed, clients will be able to go on our website, request a quotation, get it digitally, accept it, be able to pay online, and book the job online as well. Supplier development has helped us a lot in a sense that we have been able to register into the Movers POE website, where our international agents are able to access our instant rates online. And this is going to be a game changer for us.